Welcome to Next Generation Car World. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive walk-around of the all-new 2026 Chevy Malibu 8, and trust me, this one's going to surprise a lot of people. The Malibu has been reimagined with a bold, modern design that marks a big step forward for Chevrolet's mid-size sedan lineup. Let's start with the exterior. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is how sleek and aerodynamic the new body looks. Chevrolet has refined every angle to give the Malibu a more premium and aggressive appearance. The front grille has been completely redesigned. It's now wider, with the black mesh pattern and a floating Chevy emblem that really pops. The LED headlights are sharper, slimmer, and flow perfectly into the front fenders, giving the car a confident, futuristic face. Moving to the side, the profile is smoother and more coupe-like than ever before. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a fastback feel while maintaining solid interior headroom. This 2026 model sits on 19-inch alloy wheels with a satin finish that complements the sculpted character lines across the doors. Subtle chrome accents add just the right touch of elegance. Around the back, the new taillights are fully LED and feature a split design that mirrors the front lighting signature. The rear bumper is integrated with a diffuser-style lower panel and dual exhaust tips, giving it a sporty stance that feels more performance sedan than family cruiser. Overall, it's clear Chevrolet didn't just give the Malibu a facelift, they gave it an identity. Now let's step inside. The 2026 Malibu's cabin is all about modern minimalism mixed with tech-forward features. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, with a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen dominating the center stack. It runs on Chevy's latest infotainment software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated Google Apps. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and pairs perfectly with the new ambient lighting that stretches across the dash and door panels. Material quality has taken a huge step up. Soft touch surfaces are everywhere, and this top trim features perforated leather seats with contrast stitching. The center console has been redesigned with more storage, a wireless charging pad, and a push-button gear selector. Rear passengers will appreciate increased legroom and their own climate controls. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers two engine options. The base is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder for solid efficiency, but the real excitement comes from the available 2.0-liter turbo making 250 horsepower. Both are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, and Chevy has tuned the chassis for a balanced ride that's both comfortable and engaging. This 2026 Malibu isn't just another refresh, it's a statement. With bold design, smart tech, and refined performance, it's clear that Chevrolet is aiming to make sedans exciting again. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more up-close looks at the next generation of cars.